Hi, I'm Jenny with Coco Daisy, and in this video we are unboxing the Deluxe Journaling, and Stationery Kits from the June 2025 Mediterranean Muse collection. Let's start with the Mediterranean Muse Deluxe Journaling Kit. This kit comes in our heavy-duty plastic pouch that includes a Velcro closure. This envelope is obviously wonderful for storing your kits. However, it's also great for taking things on the go, organizing different items. You get the picture. All right, so this is such a fun and popular kit, and let me show you why. It comes with a wide variety of products that are beloved, and it comes with a few items that are included in the planner kit, a few items that are included in the journaling kit, and a few items that are exclusive to this kit. So now, one of the items that is included in the planner kit are these patterned papers. These are 13 by 8.5, and they are scored in half. You can see that they are double-sided, and they include both beautiful patterns and also a little bit more neutral patterns as well. That bright sunshiny yellow, it just feels like summer. And then on the inside, we have the lemons. Aren't those beautiful? I'm gonna put this lemon in the middle because it just feels like I should. Cute, right? Okay. Next up, we have a couple of patterned papers that are exclusive to this kit. We have subtle patterns that are perfect for layering. So this side you can see are a ledger, and then on the back this one is a grid, and this one has a very subtle blue pattern with a little bit of lemons up in the corner. And we also have a couple of specialty papers as well that are exclusive to this kit. So we have this orange, it's beautiful, and it's very thin and natural. It feels to me just like it would be perfect for tearing. And then a sheet of map vellum as well. It goes perfectly with the rest of the Mediterranean theme. Now we also have a sheet of PET stickers. I love these because they're so thin and you can just add them to any project without including any bulk as well. And these are included in the planner kit. Now we have two packages of rub-on transfers, and you can see here one has the days of the week included, and then this one has a kit, and they're both different. And both of these are included in our journaling kit. They come with popsicle sticks, as you can see, so you can use these rub-on transfers right out of the box. Next up, we have some Vellum stickers, and these are also included in our journaling kit. We have a super cute little decorative one that also has the strips at the bottom that are like washi tape, but they're not on a roll, so you just get a little bit. We have a couple of sheets that are full sticker sheets, and these are great for using as they are, pulling them off and sticking them in whatever project you're working on, or in cutting them up and using bits and pieces as you wish. I like to so for example, remove just like this and then put it in the corner and build upon the entire project. We have the alphabet stickers. We also have the days of the week and the dates. And then another sheet of decorative stickers as well. And these are, as I said already, on vellum paper. And so they are thinner than your traditional paper sticker. And so if you are conscious of bulk, these are wonderful. Now we also include a journaling prompt sheet. So you can see here it comes with 10 journaling prompts. And this is wonderful for obviously for journaling, and especially if you have a hard time thinking of things to write about, this gives you 10 different ideas that you can include. All right, we also have some ephemera as well. And these are self-adhesive, And these come also in our planner kit. Now you can see from here, there are lots of different decorative pieces. So we have the lemons and our fun little crab, but then we also have some tabs as well. So if you like to add different sections to your journals or notebooks or anything else that you like, we have little tabs that you can do that with these. And like I said already, they are self-adhesive, so all you have to do is peel the back off and they are ready to use. We have a sticky notepad as well. It has a subtle grid on the front and then also a little bit of decoration as well. And a roll of blue tile washi tape. This is a beautiful one. It definitely makes me think of a little bit of time on the shore of the Mediterranean. And then we also have a small June stamp set, as you can see right here, that will be perfect for adding to all of your projects. It says June, a time for golden hours, endless laughter, and a heart full of summer. So that is the Deluxe Journaling Kit, and you can subscribe to this one on the Cocoa Daisy website, just like all of the rest of our kits. Our Mediterranean Muse Journaling Kit is going to make all of your projects feel just like summer. Let's open it up and take a look at what I'm talking about. All right, so the journaling kit is full of supplies that are intended to be beautiful but not add a lot of bulk to your projects. So each item has a low profile. So first up, we have some rub-on transfers. There are 2 sheets of these with beautiful artwork, and they also include popsicle sticks, so you can just use them as soon as you receive these. All you have to do is trim the individual items and put them right onto your project. There are also some Vellum sticker sheets. The Vellum sticker paper is a little bit thinner than traditional paper stickers. So again, a little bit lower profile for your projects. If you like to use a planner or a notebook that has Tomoe River paper, these are perfect for that. So you can see that there are the beautiful images that you're used to with the Mediterranean Muse collection, and then also these beautiful colors as well. Now there are these 2 sheets of full patterns that you can use in your projects. You can use them as they are, but you can also cut them up and use them in different ways by removing different elements and sticking them directly to the page. And then there is also another decorative sheet as well, just like the first one, and both include little washi strips, so you get patterns, little bite-sized pieces of patterns without having an entire roll. We also include a prompt card that includes 10 different prompts that you can use to enhance your journaling or give you a little jump start. And there is also a roll of washi tape. It is blue on blue diagonal stripes, and it is a little bit thinner than your average washi tape. So this is the Mediterranean Muse Journaling Kit, and you can subscribe to this one on cocodaisy.com. Now let's take a look at the Mediterranean Muse Stationery Kit. This kit is one of my favorites. It includes some of my favorite products, and I can't wait to share those with you. There are so many different bits and pieces that you can use to accent all of your projects. And there is also something really fun included in the kit this month as well. However, let's first take a look at a very cute little friend, which is this acetate overlay that includes a watercolor background and, of course, a fun little blue octopus. I included the background piece just so you could see it a little bit better because it's so very beautiful. Then we also have a piece of vellum that includes that beautiful Mediterranean tile pattern. and a sheet of PET stickers. And if you haven't used PET stickers yet, I am so excited for you to try these because not only are they beautiful, but they're just so thin and don't add any bulk to your project. So they're very, very easy to use no matter what you're creating. Okay, so then we have a gorgeous postcard. Look at that. I love it. It's just so layered and collagey, and you can see here you can actually use it as a postcard if you'd like, or include it in one of your products. It's on a nice heavy duty, what feels like watercolor paper. It's just so beautiful. And then we have our sticker sheets, which I'm very, very fond of this one. Each sticker is outlined with a stamp, like a postage stamp pattern. Then we have our days of the week. They feel so fresh. And then our little boxes / labels that have some of those tile type patterns around the outside. Next up is this is a sticky notepad. Who doesn't want to leave little notes on a cute lemon sticky notepad? All right, so let's take a look at the ephemera that's included. These are on a washi type paper, so they're not completely solid. You can see I'm leaving a couple of little guys in there, but I don't want to take all of them out because there's so many fun things to look at. So we have lemons, look at that. So it's a little postage stamp, but it feels like the shore of the Mediterranean. We have an anchor, lemons in a vase, a little hat with a bottle and some lemons, a scooter, and again, a jar with lemons in it as well. Super cute. And they are self-adhesive, so all you have to do is peel the backing off and use them. We have a vinyl sticker. I mean, last Monday, more summer. Yes, please. That's for sure. We have a roll of washi tape, and this is probably my personal favorite roll of washi tape this month, but I hope when you see it, you're gonna love it as much as I do. It includes a beautiful blue background, and then we have all of our fine friends, including the different octopus, the orange and the blue, which are so cute. I love them. Look at that. Isn't that fun? Okay, and then as always, we have our little pin. This one says sail away, and it does have the pin backing so that you can attach this to whatever. However, you can remove the pin backing, and in the store we sell these giant paper clips. They're enormous. I'm going to show you my hand for scale. And once you've removed the pin backing, you can pop that right on there and use this in your planner or notebook, whichever. Now, one of the other very exciting products that are included is this washi stand. That's right. It is 2 pieces, and you can see the top here is that cute little flower. Cute, right? And then all you have to do is stick it in the base, and then you can set it down on your desk and it will hold several rolls of washi tape. Now let me show you. Pull it apart. Simply slide your washi tape on there and then stick it right there. And then you can set it on the desk and it will hold your washi tape. You can see there's plenty of room here for several more rolls as well. Isn't that cute? Can you imagine having that on your desk with your favorite Mediterranean Muse washi tapes? So this is the Mediterranean Muse Stationery Kit, and you can subscribe to this one in the Cocoa Daisy shop.